Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will cooking a banana pancake. It's very easy, very yum. So I have here a dry ingredients. I have here a 1 in 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, cinnamon, baking soda, and salt. So over here I have a vanilla, milk, melted butter, and of course the queen of the morning, banana. So let's start now. We have to mix together the dry ingredients here. Sugar, cinnamon, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. So let's mix that together. Alright, like that. And let's work this banana. So the banana is look like this. So let's put a melted butter, like that, and like this, in the milk. Of course, the milk is very important. And the vanilla. I think that is 1 teaspoon, like that. So good, very nice smell. Alright then, time to mix that together. Put that in the dry ingredients. Yum. Mga mami na hindi malaman kung ano papakainin sa kids tomorrow. So, ito ay napakasimple lang.